Hello everyone. Today we will see the screening question of WAMS unit for ICSE school. Today they had the screening question and I got the question. We will discuss only this question number 2, which carries 2 mark each. The first question comes: give the output of the following. Character dot to uppercase means you have to convert this into uppercase. It's simply uppercase A. Character dot is letter or digit. It will give you a boolean output that is false because it's not a letter or digit. Next question: give the output of the following program and specify how many times the loop is executed. It's a question based on loop. How many times the loop is executed? See, ACE is assigned with VEMS, fine. And there is a length. What is the length? Length here is 4. I is 0. Okay. See, for I is 0, I less than length. Is I less than length? Means is I 0 less than 4? Yes, true. Come here. Println a start substring. তাহলে print this one. Substring means we consider it as initial index. So what is the initial index? I is true here. Initial index I is same 0. That means we will print from 0 onwards. The whole WAMS will be printed at fast run. Again come, I is incremented here. I is I plus 2. That means I became 2 now. Check, is I less than 4? Is 2 less than 4? Yes, it is less than 4. Come here, a start substring. Again I, we consider 2 as the initial value, initial index. 2 means here ms. Next I is incremented. I value becomes 4. 2 plus 2. Check, is it is less than 4? No, it's not. So it will execute 2 times. Okay, how many times? It is 2 times. And what is the output? Output is VEMS, then new line MS. Remember, ln is there. Chalo. Question number 3. String S is this. Okay, fine, we can store anything in the string. String S2 is this. Okay, double dot parse double S1. We are parsing the string into double value. What was in S1? 45.50. We converted into a double value now. Now what is the value of D1? D1 is exactly 45.50 and it's a pure double value. Similarly, double dot parse double S2. S2 54.50. We converted into pure double using parsing. So the value of D2 is 54.50. Good. Now D1 plus D2 typecast into integer type and then store in X. D1 plus D2, it's 100.00. Typecast into int, decimal will be cancelled. Store in X, so value of X is 100. What is the value of X? It's pure 100, only 100. Good. Coming to the next one, convert the given loop into exit control loop. Okay, you must have known you have 2 types of loop. One is entry control loop, one is exit control loop. Entry control loop means your condition will be checked whenever you write that while a greater than 5, like this. So in this case you are simply, it's an entry control. If this is true, then inside will be executed. But while you are writing like do while a greater than 5, here what happens now? It is fast executing, it is fast doing, then checking if the statement is correct. One time it will execute at least, then it will check in the while. So it is called exit control loop. And now we will convert this whole code into an exit control. Let's see. Okay, first we will write the initializations. Int a 10 b 1. Then we will do inside the do you write all the increment, decrement, obliteration, anything, whatever is written here and here. Okay, so first b plus assign a, then b plus plus, then you write a minus assign 2. Okay, After that, while, what is the condition? This is the condition, a is greater than equals to 1. And remember, this output statement is beyond this for loop, means it doesn't include in the loop. So you write at the end, you write simply system.out.print b, simply it will be written. This is the exit control loop. Write the value after execution. Okay, see, d, okay, what is d is assigned to ch, which is a character type. Okay, fine. Ch plus 5 is assigned to n. Okay, is it possible? Yes, it is possible, because int can hold. Typecasting is possible, automatic. So what is the ASCII value of d? We know the ASCII value of lowercase a is 97. So similarly, d is 97, 98, 99, 100. The value of d is 100. So what is 100 plus 5? It's 105. And what is the value of n? 105. Question number 6. Evaluate the expression when x is 5. Okay, what is the value of x? 5. What question you are given? Shorthand operator minus. Okay, write it properly. X assign x into, put the parenthesis, plus x plus x. Okay, see, what is the value of x? Put the actual value. Here what happened? It decremented fast, then update. Here it fast original value put, then update, decrement, plus x. What is the value of x? 3. So if you see 4 plus 4 plus 3, it's 11. 5 into 11, it's 55. This is the answer. 55 is the answer. Okay, now this small code. Consider the following program. Acha, whenever you get such questions, it better if you have a pencil, note down. This is the class. This is the constructor 1. This is the constructor 2. This is the method 1. This is the main method. You note down like this. Acha, see what is there in the class. In the class there is a class variable, that is a. Okay, fine. And the class variable in temp, the class variable is assigned with 10. Good. In another constructor, the class variable is assigned with z. Z is through the parameter, formal parameter. Okay. In void print, a is being printed. Cool. In the main method, see, temp t assign new temp parenthesis, means a reference for the class t is created. Class temp t is created. T is a reference here. Okay. Now using t, we can, acha, this constructor, this refers to the constructor 1. Remember, means this one. Okay, so whenever you write t dot print in constructor 1, 10 is assigned to a. Okay, semicolon was missing, put the semicolon. 10 is assigned to a. So when you call t dot print, print is a, 10 is printed. Next time you created x reference, but you gave the argument. That means constructor 2 will be called. You see, again you called x dot print using this reference. That means print means a, print a. What was the value of temp? Z. Z assigned to a. A is updated. It is 30. This will be the output. What is the output of the method main? That is 10 and 30. What concept of object-oriented programming is depicted with the two constructors? See, the two constructors are nothing but the constructor of the same name with different parameters. There is no parameter, there is parameter. So we can say polymorphism. Multiple shape by appearance polymorphism. Okay, chalo. Next one, give the output of the following. What is given here? Okay, this is the code. 7377 is assigned to the num. Here it is asking integer dot toString num, means the num variable you are converting into string. So exactly it will be like this. It's a string now, and you stored in s. System.out.print s, same thing, 7377 will be printed. Again return system.out.print ln num, print the num. Num is always same, it's an integer. Again it will be printed 7377. Is there any ln here? That means no new line will be formed. It is a continuous answer. The two answers will be in the continuous form. If you have written this, you will get 2 mark. If you have written this 0 0, you will get 0. You are not following the instruction. Let's see the 9th one. Rewrite the following your code using if else. Okay, aim is assigned with 400, and okay, it's a ternary operator, huh? 1 2 3. That means it is the condition. If it is true, first one will be executed. If it is false, this one will be executed. So you can simply write if aim 300 system.out.println. You can directly write this in the system.out.print. Else you will directly execute this one. Okay, it's an easy one, and I think all must have been done. Coming to the last one, differentiate between boxing and unboxing. It's an easy question. Okay, so boxing, those who don't know, when you convert a primitive into a wrapper class, we call it boxing. Most of the time it occurs automatically, so it's also called auto boxing. And when you do the reverse, wrapper class to primitive, we call it unboxing. Write the definition, exact statement what I said, give the example, boom, you will get 20 out of 20. Thank you. Don't forget to comment if you want the discussion of these MCQs. This time was tricky, but yeah, these were helpful. If you want these answers, don't forget to comment. Thank you.